Happy 10th birthday to the one and only Ethereum from the Colossus digital team. Happy birthday. 3 words about Ethereum: programmable, decentralized, foundational. Ethereum's essence is captured by its programmability, decentralized architecture, and foundational impact on the digital asset economy. These qualities have made it the platform of choice for institutional innovation and the broader Web3 movement. What can make Ethereum fail? Well, a number of things. First of all, unresolved scalability and high fees, driving users to cheaper alternatives. Contentious governance and hard forks, fracturing the community and its ecosystem. Adverse regulatory actions restricting institutional participation or DeFi activity. And then loss of developer and user mindshare to more innovative layer ones and layer twos. What does Ethereum have to do to succeed in the next decade? Well, not an easy question, but definitely there are some things that come to mind immediately. So primarily revolving around scalability, user experience, and regulatory clarity. So first of all, it would be seamless and affordable scalability. So the robust layer 2 ecosystem, which of course is already something, is now needs to be not just functional, but really seamless for users. Of course, the continuous scaling of the L1 is something that is just as important, which is just as important as the economic viability of Ethereum. Therefore, ensuring that ETH continues to accrue value and remains economically attractive, even as most activity might shift to L2s, and not to make it too critical. And of course, the other point is user experience. So the true, let's say, invisible blockchain, where things are just happening under the hood, so usability. And of course, the seamless decentralized app interaction, which today is still a bit cumbersome. Of course, the regulatory environment and a favorable regulatory environment will be key, as it always is for all of the blockchains. And I would then say strong and adaptive governance of the Ethereum decentralized governance. So basically, that means faster decision times, maintaining an efficient process for proposing, discussing, and implementing upgrades is vital at this point. Then community cohesion. And then, of course, as always, balancing speed and security, which are both two pieces of the same topic. Then, of course, continued innovation and competitive response. So we need to be staying ahead of the curve. We need to respond to competitors, and we need to adapt to emerging trends. But I am convinced that this is absolutely something that Ethereum will be able to do. And we are big supporters, and we look forward to working for the next 10 years.